Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will demonstrate how to handle picking batches in iPacky. To check the orders picked by on-screen batch picking, we use picking batches. We recommend that you view the video about on-screen batch picking first. Using on-screen batch picking, and then checking them in picking batches, you go fully digital with no waste of paper and an improved workflow. Select the menu. Select Picking Batches. Click to list the orders in the batch. Click to collapse the list of orders. The batch number. Who picked it? If using Assign Workstation to check picking batch, this column will show the assigned workstation. The note on the picking batch. The number of orders in the picking batch. This will show whether or not someone else is currently checking the batch. Delete the picking batch. Check the next picking batch in line, starting with the oldest that is not checked by someone else, and if using Assign Workstation to check picking batch, for this workstation. Click on the order number to open the picking batch, or click the Check Next button. If using picking boxes, the picking box number will be shown inside the brackets. Usually we will use the Check Next button. The order opens, ready for checking. After the order has been checked, we are back in this list, and the order we just checked, 1096, is gone. When all orders in this picking batch are done, it will return to the picking batches overview. All the orders in picking batch 81 are checked, and the picking batch is removed. Thank you for watching this iPacky video. For more details, read in the help system, or watch videos when they become available on iPacky.com or on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Start packing error-free today.